Hello everyone. So today here I'm teaching from number 61 to 80. Okay. Okay. So here first one. 60 is a tukju, right? And then tukju re. You should remember re. Okay. So tukju re ji. 61 tukju re ji. Okay. Then 62 tukju 랭이, tukju 랭이. Okay, and then 63, tukju resum, tukju resum. Okay, and then 64, tukju reshi, tukju reshi. And then 65, tukju 랭아, tukju 랭아. And then 66, tukju re2, tukju re2. Okay, and then 67, tukju redun, tukju redun. And then 68, tukju rege, tukju rege. And then 69, tukju regu, tukju regu. Okay, and then 70, dunju, dunju, and dunju. Okay, and then with the dunju, then you should remember turn. Okay, so first one, 71, dunju 던직, dunju 던직. 72, dunju 던니, dunju 던니. And then 73, dunju 던숨, dunju 던숨. 74, dunju 던시, dunju 던시. Okay. 75, dunju 던nga, dunju 던nga. Okay. And then 76, dunju 던투, dunju 던투. 77, dunju 던둔, dunju 던둔. 78, dunju 던게, dunju 던게. 79, dunju 던구, dunju 던구. And then 80, geju. Okay, geju. Okay, thank you. And then see you in next video.